fucking body. Poor lady didn't know anybody fucking body. And she was still going, loose pussy and all. And she said, kids, I got you, put it against the wall. I'll protect you, I'm your mama, I'm here. Poor little kids didn't know nothing about nothing near. And still, little kids crying for their daddy. Daddy's not there, oh my god, fucking petty. Nigga never wanted to come back in their life. Now these kids hurt with the fucking knife in their back. And I'm saying this is whack. Poor mama never knew that daddy was gonna leave and leave her on the streets. Mama crying for her baby daddy. And he said, fuck you, bitch, I'm fucking horny. I'm gonna fuck another bitch around the street. And fuck you and your kids, I'm not gonna feed them nothing to eat. Little baby got Down syndrome and no one's there for him when he pounds his syndrome. And he goes off on his mama all the time, hitting his head. So I'm making these rhymes for all the kids that never had no defense and put them against the fence. And nobody was there for them. I say fuck them and all the bad people that never were there. They're really fucking evil. And I'm just making these rhymes off my ass. I'm sorry, I'm just hitting this shit off my ass. And I'm just going off my shit. I'm hella lit and I'm smoking a blunt, thinking some sad shit. And I'm done, so here I go. One. Run.
You better run.